Parkinson's disease? Parkinson's disease is named after James Parkinson. James wrote a classic in 1817 called Shaking Palsy. Parkinson's disease is a disease of the central nervous system. Parkinson's disease is a progressive nervous system disorder that affects movement, according to mayoclinic.org. No two people experience Parkinson's disease the same way, according to parkinsons.org. That is what makes it somewhat unique. Tremors are common, causes stiffness or slow movement. Neurosurgery is involved with this disease involving a neurosurgeon. Body system this disease impacts. It affects your whole body. It causes flexion, bent or which means bent or curved posture, back rigidity, flexed elbows and wrist, tremors in the legs, shuffling, short-stepped gait, slightly flexed hip and knees, hand tremor, reduced arm swing, forward tilt of trunk, and a masked face. Symptoms of Parkinson's include tremors, known as shaking, often occurs in hands or fingers, bradykinesia, slowing your movement, rigid muscles, which mean muscle stiffness might occur in any of your body parts, impaired posture and balance, ataxia, posture may become stooped/balance difficulties, athetosis, decreased ability to perform movements such as blinking or smiling, speech/writing changes, may speak softly, slur, or hesitate, dysphagia, or may become hard to write. Causes of Parkinson's. Parkinson's is known as an idiopathic Parkinson's disease, which means unknown cause. Your genes are a cause, meaning you have specific gene mutations that cause the disease. Environmental triggers, exposure to certain toxins or environmental factors, relatively small to the cause. Presence of Lewy bodies, clumps of substances within brain cells. Alpha-synuclein is found within Lewy bodies. Natural widespread protein found in Lewy bodies. Treatment for Parkinson's. It cannot be cured, but there are certain medications that can help control symptoms. Medications include carbidopa, levodopa, which passes through the brain and converted to dopamine. Dopamine agonists mimic dopamine effects in your brain. Anticholinergics control tremors and reduce rigidity and drooling. Amantadine, short-term relief of early stage, and apomorphine, form of morphine to treat severe Parkinson's. Surgical procedures include deep brain stimulation, which occurs when a surgeon implants electrodes into a specific part of your brain, and thalamotomy, which is a probe inserted into the thalamus, and it's an effort to stop the tremors. Risk factors of Parkinson's include your age. Young adults rarely experience this disease. It's normally 60 or older. Heredity, having a close relative increases your chances. Sex, men are more likely to develop the disease than women, according to mayoclinic.org. Exposure to toxins. Exposure to herbicides and pesticides may slightly increase your risk, according to mayoclinic.org. The steps to take to avoid this disease are: the cause is unknown, therefore ways to prevent the disease remain unnoticed. Experiments show possible prevention could be regular aerobic exercise. An experiment shows that possibly those who drink caffeine, such as tea, pop, etc., get the disease less often than those who don't drink caffeine. My references include Parkinson's disease, mayoclinic.org, causes and statistics from parkinsons.org, parkinsons.org history, and our book, Acquiring Medical Language, New York, NY, McGraw-Hill Education.